How you doing, Bob? You have so much stuff.
A quest fire is a way of life. You're roaming through the wilderness, hungry. You stop to make a small fire, just enough to cook something on. Drink some ale or beer, and before you know it, who knows, a traveler might come by and ask to join you. But in order to have a quest fire, there's two things that you must have. You need some decent epic music and some rustic food on a stick or at least in a tin. You can have a great quest fire on your own, but it becomes epic when you have amazing company to share it with.
You gotta go and do that thing.
Well done. Well done, Jacob.
Was that like an offer or like an offer? Is this how it was?
You never know what a quest fire will bring, but you can be sure that the memories will last forever.
That's fucking beautiful.
Wearing your most sustainable trousers.
Yeah, and socks. Tesco linen, baby. You are.
Now it's gonna lean to one.
Got a bed. I've got a bed.
It's gonna bruise now.
Fucking crazy. Hey Joe. Joe, look at this. That's a beautiful marshmallow.
I bet it's not pretty.
Do you want to see?
I bet it's not warm on the inside.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that is
Wow.
actually fucking good.
That's really good. Oh.
Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera. Thank you. Thanks, Joe. Inside of my Gonna get your head, but it's better than yours.
Is yours better?
Yeah, that actually looks amazing.
Viable. Well done.
Bobby, that marshmallow looks pretty.
Well, I mean,
completed flint, but I do have a flint and steel, and I make my own charcoal.
I like the flint.
I did use a bit of charcoal.